So Matt, if your experience could work out perfectly with this job in the paint company that you hire, what would that look like to you?
Yeah,
that sound pretty good. I mean,
yeah, it sounds good. I mean, and that's one of the ones, and there's a lot of stuff on the portal, but like as far as power, I don't know how much power is in that, because it does, and especially the more we drift, it sounds like a loaded question, right? Like, you know, if you could find your ideal company, it was great, what would that look like to you? I think where it needs to come, if you were going to do it, is more informally in a discussion where they're like, you know, well, I mean, we've worked with some companies in the past and things haven't been great. Oh man, things haven't been great. When you say they haven't been great, can you give me a specific example? Well, you know, just, you know, company, and they don't give you too much, you know, companies, it's just not that great to work with customers. God, you know, if you were to find kind of that ideal partner for you, what would that look like in terms of the customer service there? That's where I would weave that in. I wouldn't necessarily have that be a question that I ask every single person, because if I'm just asking that without context around it, it can seem like you're just asking me loaded questions. That it's going to end in me saying what the company is and then you going, ta-da, I can give that to you, right? And it just, it feels like you're boxing, for lack of a better word, it feels like you're painting me into a corner with that question.
Hey, I'm so glad you found my content. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to cover all the cost for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy you the course. You're going to be closing more deals. You're going to be making a lot more money. I'll see you there.